Hi there, I'm Chef Lauren D'Agostino, and I help people fall in love with plant-based food and living in a way that's intuitive, simple, and fun. In my virtual cooking course, Plant-Based Fundamentals, I teach folks who are afraid and overwhelmed and intimidated by plant-based cooking the fundamentals and the basics so that they can get into their kitchen with confidence and unleash their own intuitive chef and learn the creative bliss of plant-based cooking in the day-to-day. It's really fun. I'm so excited to release this course this coming holiday season. Plant-based lifestyle for me also includes natural health care with essential oils, and you might be surprised to know that clean plant-based food also includes clean vegan wine. My brand and my business are the umbrella, the department store style one-stop shop for anyone who's looking to transition into a plant-based lifestyle and transform the quality of their life and live with vitality that everyone deserves to experience their life with. I host a monthly cooking class teaching the plant-based fundamentals live, and I offer other wellness tips and continuing education for my essential oil community. I also cater in-home, intimate restaurant-style dinners for folks who want to enjoy a leisurely 4-course plant-based meal. The Gourmet Restaurant comes to you. And I also private chef for wellness retreats, folks who are in the yoga and spiritual and wellness space who choose to host their experience in a rented home or private home and need a chef partner to help them execute their experience on that up-leveled style, offering gourmet food, seasonal plant-based creations that really go to nourish and support all the healing work that they go on the retreat to receive. I can't wait to meet you. I would love to share more about my journey with you, and I will talk with you soon.